Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist of my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and as you can clearly see on the chart that after this huge uptrend in the market is trading in a narrow range here. We have 113.30 on the downside as the support, and on the other hand we have got 114.25 to 114.35 on the upside at the top as the resistance. And you can clearly see whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing resistance at this level, coming down, and when it's coming down, it is getting support at this level. So in a market condition like this, things are very simple and clear to us. Short the market at the resistance and go for a buy at the support. But one thing that we need to focus here is that we can see market has been testing this level too many times, and if you have watched my other videos or if you have been following me for quite some time, then you have heard me talking saying that if you find market testing a level too many times, then the particular level loses its strength. And we have seen also market breaking supports, market breaking resistances, going up, going down, etc, etc. So here also you can see that market has been testing this support level too many times. As a result, this level is slowly losing its strength, and there is a possibility of market breaking the support as well. And you can see that on Friday market has formed a big fat red candle. So this particular candle signifies the interest of sellers in taking the market downside or downward. Okay, as a result, there is a good possibility of market breaking the support as well. So what should be our strategy for Monday then? Okay, for Monday, your first trading opportunity is, if market bounces from this particular level, if you find market going up from here, taking support at 113.30 level, you can go for a buy. Yes, you can go for buy. If you find market going up from here, just make sure that you are using proper stop loss, because suddenly if market forms a huge red candle, then you may be in trouble. So stop loss is extremely important. Okay, your stop loss should be below this level. Okay, just put a stop loss, and if you find market bouncing from this particular support level, you can go for buy. That is your first trading opportunity. On the other hand, if you find market going up from here, okay, and if market reverses from this particular level, the resistance level, you can go for sell. If market reverses from 114.525 to 30 level, you can go for sell, because that will be considered as a valid resistance. Okay, and we can see that previously market has been facing resistance at this level for quite some time. Okay, so these two are these safe trading opportunities for you, as right now market is trading in a narrow channel here. But on the other hand, again, if you find market breaking the support, yes, if you find market breaking the support, then do not go for sell immediately, because you can see that what is the overall trend of the market. Overall trend of the market is towards the upside. Yes, right now market is sideways, market is consolidating, but overall trend of the market is towards the upside. So therefore, in the overall market, buyers are there, buyers are present. So as a result, do not take a short position immediately if you find market breaking the support level. Okay, wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just see how the market is doing. After 4 to 6 hours, if you find market is trading below the level of 113.30, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, at last market is going down, the support level is no longer valid, and you can take a sell position. But you need to be careful while taking a short position below this level. Let's see how the market opens, where the market goes on Monday. If it bounces, definitely go for buy using proper stop loss and risk management. And if it goes up and reverses from the resistance, you can take a sell position. Okay. And if it breaks the level, you can take a sell position after waiting for some time, so that you get the confirmation that the support has become the resistance now. Okay. Until and unless you do not get the confirmation, do not take a sell position. So waiting for 4 to 6 hours is essential. Okay. I'll be coming down on Monday again, and I'll discuss what should be our next strategy if anything happens. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday again. And recently I have launched a signal service along with education. Yes, I teach as well as I provide signals. If you want to know what is it, then just go to the pro trader section on my website. You will find all the information. Okay, what is this pro trader program, why you should be joining, and all. If you're interested, just check out. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.